Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software. And in this video, I will show you how to adjust your video clip audio volume in CapCut video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do, like this, for instance, this particular clip right here, I'm going to use it as an example. So you can hear the sound of the video clip. So I'm going to go ahead and import it into the timeline right here. And now let's play the video. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about assist. Now, we want to go ahead now and adjust the volume. So I'm going to, from the low volume, I'm going to increase. For that, come to your video clip in the timeline right here and move your mouse and make sure your mouse comes to something like this. Just drag upward. So this is about, let's try and see 7.5. So once you adjust the size, go ahead and play. So if you are not satisfied with the results, what you need to do right here is come back here and then go ahead and turn your mouse to something like this again. Drag upward. So this is about 20, which is the maximum of payment supplier. However, you need to bear in mind that there are different types of distinct image animation. There is one of the global version and where there is just like so. So we can come back right here again and then turn our mouse over right here and drag as little as possible. So this is about 14. We can decide to make it about 16 right here and then play again. Chinese version. So if you are the one, you are the time that are using the global version, which is this one, you can see on my screen. However, we can come to the sidebar right here, click on audio side right here. Then we can use this arrow to control or decrease or increase. We can use this point right here to increase us as well. Right here. So let's have everything in English language. So if I use this place here, I turn it down a little bit. The more you turn down, the more the audio is going to be using. Just like well, let's play the audio again right here, and at the same time, up. So if you turn it down, you can use this slider right here also and adjust the audio volume. Let's play. Just like so. If I turn it down more, right here. So if I want to turn it down more, again, adjust from the sidebar. So you can either adjust the volume to increase or decrease as the case may be. Everything depends on the level of audio you want to use as far as your video is concerned. In CapCut software, it's that simple. So basically, this is how to adjust the audio volume of in CapCut video editing software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.